Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a lemon honey baked chicken. It's going to be super sweet and tangy. So let me show you what you're going to need. Some foil paper, salt, pepper, chicken seasoning, garlic, paprika, honey, mustard, oil, some spray oil, lemons, onions, and some chicken thighs. Step 1, we're going to prepare our chicken. Starting off with our thighs into the bowl, then our chicken seasoning, paprika, our salt, our garlic seasoning, pepper, lemon juice, our oil, our mustard, and our honey. Now we're going to put our gloves on and start to mix everything. Time to mix. Now that it's all rubbed in, should look like this. Now I'm going to cut some onions and lemon to lay it on top of our chicken as it bakes. So real quick before I get started, I did want to give a special shout out to Justin for buying me this super cool Batman knife. Not sure if that comes up, but there's a cool little Batman engraved into the knife. I love it. It's super sharp too, so I have to be very careful. You're only going to need about a quarter of that onion, so should look like this. Now for the lemon. I'm just going to cut them straight down, just like that. So I've already prepared my pan with the aluminum foil and layered on some cooking spray. Now, time to place our chicken in there. Now we're going to put our onions and our lemons over it. Sprinkle those onions right on top. And then our lemons. Should look like this. And now we're going to set this to bake on 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Alrighty, look at this guys. Our chicken is all ready to be served. And there you have it, my lemon honey baked chicken. I paired it with some mashed potatoes, but you can pair it with whatever side of your liking. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time to see what we get cooking next.